Hey everyone, I'm excited to share the amazing results from our newly launched trading system. After 10 years of operation, this system has delivered an impressive net profit of $472,000. Profit factor of 150. This is a fantastic number over a span of 10 years, showing that our strategy is not only effective, but also stable, delivering exceptional returns relative to the risk. And one key point that can't be overlooked is the max drawdown of this strategy. It's just over $14,000, which is a very reasonable drawdown considering the $472,000. And what's even more special is that the results you're seeing today were achieved through a perfect balance between long and short positions. Typically, when you look at back-tested strategies with long-term profits on indices, most of the gains come from the long side because markets tend to rise over time. However, what our strategy does is balance both long and short positions effectively. Whether the market is going up or down, you'll always have a position, either to buy or to sell. Next, we're going to implement the templates that played a crucial role in achieving these outstanding results. First, we'll begin by loading up the 10-year data chart, starting from January 1st, 2016, all the way through to May 8th, 2026. This will give you a comprehensive view to evaluate the development and effectiveness of the strategy over this extended period. Next, we'll set up and load the appropriate parameters for different trading time. This helps optimize the strategy, ensuring the system performs effectively under various market conditions, whether it's throughout the day or across the week. First, let's start with the first trading time, from 6 p.m. to 9:30 a.m. This is a period with low volatility, so to optimize the strategy for this time frame, we'll set up a unique set of parameters. This ensures the system performs smoothly and effectively during these quieter market hours. Next, we'll set up for the second trading time frame, from 9:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. This is when the U.S. market session kicks off, and the volatility and market chaos begin to rise. So, we'll apply a unique set of parameters to take full advantage of this chaos and capitalize on the potential opportunities the market provides. Finally, we'll set up for the third trading time frame, when the market starts to stabilize. This is after the high volatility has calmed down, and we'll apply a different set of parameters that fit the current market conditions. With this strategy, the system will perform effectively and deliver stable results during these calmer market periods. Next, we won't apply any probability filters in the system to ensure the results we achieve are as realistic as possible, with no selection or adjustments made. Finally, we'll activate the strategy and click OK to get the system running. Next, let's take a look at the detailed results you saw at the beginning of the video. First, the net profit stands at $472,275.60, an impressive figure that shows the success of this strategy. The profit factor is 1.50, which is a very good ratio, indicating that the strategy has generated much higher profits compared to the risk involved. What's even more remarkable is the max drawdown, which is only $14,461.60. Indicating that the maximum risk taken is quite reasonable throughout the trading period. Additionally, with 2,665 trades, the strategy has maintained stability over a long period. Other numbers, like the largest winning trade of 115.47 and the largest losing trade of 666.74, are noteworthy. And with a reward-risk ratio close to 2:1, it's clear that this is a very solid result with an almost ideal profit-to-risk ratio. And if we take a closer look at the statistics for both long and short positions, the results are truly impressive. Profits are distributed evenly across both directions, with a profit factor of 1.5 or higher for both, showing that both long and short positions are performing equally well. This proves that our strategy is not only effective in a rising market, but also capable of generating good profits in a declining market, offering stable trading opportunities in all conditions. This strategy shows a great profit potential, with a total net profit of $472,275.60. Although the win rate is only 47.35%, the winning trades are quite valuable, with an average profit per winning trade of 115.47 and much higher than the average loss per losing trade of 6.66674. This shows that the strategy can generate significant profits from successful trades. Another strength of this strategy is its Sortino ratio of 2.41, indicating that the strategy does a great job of minimizing downside risk and can provide reasonable returns compared to the risk of decline. This helps the strategy maintain more consistent performance throughout the trading period. Additionally, the average profit per trade is 120,021 SOG, which indicates that each trade is generating a positive return over the long term. With 1.02 trades per day, this strategy doesn't execute too many trades, helping to minimize overload and focus on high-quality trading opportunities. This strategy shows a steady and positive P&L slope over the course of 10 years, indicating consistent growth without any significant drawdowns. This is a strong positive sign, as it demonstrates that the strategy has maintained a continuous profit over a long period without experiencing any sharp declines. Now, let's take a closer look at other important details of the strategy, such as losing streaks, winning streaks, and the simulated results if we enter trades right after a winning or losing streak. These insights will give you a better understanding of the strategy's resilience and performance when applied in real-world conditions. This strategy has shown clear improvement over the years, with max loss dropping significantly from 11 in 2016 to just 4 in 2026, indicating better risk management. At the same time, max win remains stable, and the profit factor reaches 1.81 in 2024, showing the strategy's strong profit-generating ability. The average number of trades per day is not too high, ranging from 0.84 to 1.23, allowing the strategy to focus on quality trades rather than quantity. In summary, this strategy provides stable profits while minimizing risk, making it ideal for investors seeking sustainability and long-term returns. And if you want to boost performance, you can leverage probabilities the way we do. We use losing streaks and a winning streak of 1 to improve the profit factor. Specifically, after every 1 simulated losing trade and 1 simulated winning trade, the system places a real trade for us. This mechanism helps limit losing trades, improving efficiency and better controlling risk. And here are the results after applying probabilities. Using probabilities helps boost the profit factor, but it also reduces the number of trades. However, if you don't need an extremely high profit factor, you can use the template without probabilities to execute more trades and take advantage of more market opportunities.
Join the NinZaFamily forum to stay connected, ask questions, and explore ideas with our team and other traders. There's a lot more waiting for you inside. Links in the description. Thanks for watching until the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss our latest content.